Wi-Fi hacking is really viral content because lots of guys and searching how to hack Wi-Fi using tools. Today I'm gonna talk about how to hack Wi-Fi using tools. If you don't have any programming knowledge, if you don't have any uh, advanced level IT knowledge, but you can hack the Wi-Fi whatever you see in around you. So let's get started our journey. This is my installing or before getting or before downloading this file, then whatever you should do it. Actually you have to block the all firewall. So how you should do before downloading or before installing that application, you must block your firewall, otherwise all files will be deleted automatically. So how you should do, then go to the firewall, and already I have go to the firewall, then click on the click on here. I already turn off this firewall state. You should select this off, and in private profile you should click on the off button, and public profile you click on the off button. Already I after done this, then click on the apply, then OK button. This is the first step. And next step what you should do, and first then you write defender, you should also click on the, you should turn off the defender. If you turn on the defender, then that will not work. So I already turn off my defender, so it's right now it's okay. And when I click on the turn it on, then defender will be turned on. When you turn on the defender, then what happens? Your files will be deleted automatically. So before doing this, you have to turn off the defender. To turn off the defender, what you should do, then go to the click on the tools button, click on the option, and click on the advanced level administrator, and just uncheck the mark, uncheck the use this program, then click on the save button. Right now I see this program is turned off. So you should do the two things, and if you want to apply, if you want to use this my technique. First of all, so to apply to hacking anything else, then you need these two files, the free release and then WinCap. So I'll be sharing the two files in zip file. So then first of all you have to install this one, WinCap. Already I have installed this one because I don't need to install again. First of all you need WinCap, then second time, and you have to click on the router skin. Then you have to click on the router skin, then or when I click on the router skin, then you will see the window. This is the router skin window. Then after getting the window, then what you should do. Okay, technique. This is my tool. Already I have started my audit by using from your keyboard W. Then I got the pop-up, then I already started the audit. After a while, then you'll see the result. Already I got the result. This is my Wi-Fi name, as well as you see this is my Wi-Fi name, IBNT Ibnath. This is my Wi-Fi password, HID1234. So after getting the result, then you can apply your, you can connect by using this Wi-Fi password. So if it works or not, then I'll be showing you practically. Okay, I'm just going to paste my Wi-Fi password here, whatever I got from these tools. Okay, then connect. Okay, it's working, connecting. Wow, it connected. Wow, we are successful. So let's check our okay, already we have it's working because I'm using the internet by hacking the Wi-Fi. So now we will be covering the lots of things, because this video will need some more time. So because if you want to apply these tricks, then what you should do, first of all, before after doing that, then you can install this software WinCap. Then again you have to click on you have to turn on this application router scan. After opening the router scan, then if you don't see anything else, and first time you will see here real-time state, but click on the wireless network. So click on the wireless network, but if you don't see the list of the Wi-Fi names, and click on the enable discovery. As well as I already click on the enable discovery, so I see here. So which network you want to hack, then just click on here, and right button from your mouse, right button, click on the obtain key with WPS. Then I already this one. So when you see like this pop up, then click on the start audit. It will take more times. If you have a good signal, then you don't need to wait for many times. So you can you can hack anything else within short time. So it's working. Already started. It's working. It will take time. As well as I tried to hack this Wi-Fi, then I got the key. This is my Wi-Fi password already I got. So if you want to hack any others Wi-Fi, then you can also select and from your mouse, and then just right button, then go to the wireless audit function, then click on the obtain key with WPS. If you don't do this manually, then you can also shortcut just from your keyboard, only press on the W. When you click on the W button, then you will see the pop-up option. So already I have started my audit to hack the Wi-Fi. The ESSID. Still it's working. If you need any result, then you need to wait for that. So I hope that this video will be helpful for you. If you want to share with your friends and family, then you can also share my YouTube links, and you can also subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.